Okay, so in last class we have started a new chapter that is about HTML recap. Okay, and in that class we have practiced different common elements used in HTML, different tags, different syntax, and we have also practiced how we can write our program in HTML. Then we have learned about title tag, style tag, language tag and href attributes. So all these things we have completed in last class. So today first we will see one video that is about basic introduction to HTML. Okay, then we will continue with the chapter explanation part. Is it clear to all of you? Show me thumbs up. Any doubts, any issue? Okay, so let's switch on your camera first, then only I will play this video. Switch on your camera, Lakshit, Aryan, Manish, Vanjeet, Ranjan, Himanshu. Switch on your camera fast. Okay, so let's watch this video.
Welcome to my time travel store, where we sell all
We sell man milk. Want to sell online?
Let me help you. The best for creating a website is HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes all the headings, paragraphs, or images that make up the website. Let's create your first web page with a text editor or Notepad. After you finish getting that wrong with a master wrong, right?
Yeah.
Now, we're going to create a tab.
What do?
Doc type refers to the type of document. In this case, it basically lets the web browser know that this page is written in HTML. Now, let's type in the HTML tab. The open angle bracket, HTML, close angle.
And students, when you are watching this video, open your book also, page number 76. Okay, so there you will be able to find common HTML elements. Those elements we have discussed in last class. So with the help of video, it will be easy for you to do the revision. Okay, so just open your book, page number 76. Everything is related to that one.
HTML document. Both tags have an opening and a closing part. Next, we come to the head tag and the body tag. The head tag is the area where the important stuff is processed first, like CSS and JavaScript. The body tags are the ones that contain the website content. We'll add some content here later. Now, friends, we should give this web page a title by using a title tag.
You want to know who the
Sure, so let's type in the title here. Now our web page has a title. Let's add some context now.
media slider?
So let's add a header in between the body tag. Each one simply means header. There are different types of headers. Let's try them out later. Then let's add some text in the header. Let's add nothing. At this point, we should save the file as index.html. This is usually the first page of a website. Preview your file with your web browser. Drag and drop it into the browser area. You should see it pop up. Looking good. Now, look what happened if we change the one tag to H2 tag. My friend, very tired. Time travel here from the Stone Age. Let's take a photo of this. Well, I think we will take it one next time. Anyway, you should give it a try.
Okay, so what we have learned in this video, who will tell me? Yes, tell me what you all have learned in this video. So in this video, we have learned how we can create a basic HTML page. So first of all, doc type means what kind of document you are going to create. So we are going to create HTML. So in that we will write HTML. The next tag will be HTML only. Then head part, then title part, then body part. So in this way you can write your first program in HTML. Okay. So we have designed one program, if you remember, in last class. And once you have created your file, and one more thing, where we have to write this code of HTML? In where? In text editor, means in notepad you have to write your code for HTML. We have practiced a lot of program in last class and today you are replying nothing. Many students are feeling sleepy, I can see. Ranjan Jakhar, नींद आ रही है आपको? Drink some water. Okay, wash your eyes, drink some water. You will feel better. Okay, so in Notepad we have to write all the coding for HTML. Then we have to save HTML program with this extension .htm or .html. We have done this thing in last class. And we have also discussed all these attributes of HTML. This thing we have done already. So we will continue with the next topic, that is HTML tags, common HTML tags. So in this video you have seen that lady was using H1 tag. Now what is the meaning of H1 tag? Means heading tag. H stands for heading. Means if you want to put any heading in your document, then you have to use this H1 tag. So we are having H1 up to H6. 6 type of header tag we are having. So if you will use H1, the output will be more larger as compared to other. तो H6 करोगे, output will be smaller as compared to other document. Okay? तो जोन सा टैग आप यूज करते जाओगे, H1 करोगे तो मैक्सिमम उसकी विड्थ आएगी, H2 करोगे उससे कम, H3 लोगे उससे कम. Okay, so now let's read. Headings in HTML documents are defined using heading tags. There are 6 type of headings in HTML starting from H1 up to H6. The size and importance of heading decrease from H1 to H6 means जो उसका साइज है वो डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. H1 में सबसे ज्यादा, H2 में और कम, H3 में और कम, H4 में और कम, H6 तक सबसे कम. ठीक है. मीन्स आपके पेज में अगर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है तो आप उसको H1 से लिखोगे. अगर कोई ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, नॉर्मल इंफॉर्मेशन है, that you will write with the help of H6 tag. So this is the program we have written. See, very easy. HTML tag, then body tag, then in between H1. So this is your container tag, and I have told you what is the meaning of container tag. Anyone who knows the meaning of container tag? What do you mean by container tag and empty tag? Kanishka is feeling sad. What happened, Kanishka? पढ़ोगे नहीं तो यही होगा बेटा. Yes, give me answer. What is the meaning of container tag? No answer, anyone? So in HTML we are having 2 type of tag. Okay, it can be container tag or empty tag. Now what is the meaning of container and empty? जिन टैग को आपको ओपन भी करना पड़े और क्लोज भी करना पड़े. ठीक है. जैसे कि अगर आपने यहाँ पे लिखा H1, तो H1 आपका क्या है? कंटेनर टैग है. मीन्स आप उसको पहले ओपन करोगे, फिर उसमें सपोज आपने लिखा हेलो और फिर उसको आपको क्लोज करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ टैग नोन एज कंटेनर टैग, इन विच वी आर हैविंग ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट, and closing bracket. So both we are having those kind of tag known as container tag, and with the help of this slash, this is the indication of closing tag. Is it clear to everyone? Your voice is not coming. So Neha is having voice issue. Anyone else having voice issue? Show me thumbs down. Neha, please check settings from your side, beta. Okay? Okay. So we are having two type of tag in HTML. It can be container tag or it can be empty tag. Container tag means having opening as well as closing brackets. Whereas in empty tag, we are having only opening brackets. No need to close like BR. BR stands for break. Okay, so this is an example of empty tag जहाँ पे आपको tags को close नहीं करना पड़ता using slash. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, so now in this example you can see H1 tag is an example of, now tell me, this is an example of container tag or empty tag? Heading tag is an example of empty tag or container tag? Anyone? Very good, Nitesh. Okay, so this is an example of container tag. Why container tag? Because we are having opening as well as closing bracket for this tag. Okay? Okay. So we have write a program and we have used different kinds of heading H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. अब H1 जो लिखा हुआ है ना, जो H1 के अंदर है वो बड़े साइज का आएगा, H2 उससे कम साइज का, H3 उससे कम साइज का और H6 सबसे छोटे साइज का. ठीक है, तो ये आपका प्रोग्राम है. अब आप इसको रन करोगे देन यू विल बी एबल टू सी द आउटपुट. सी, so this is the output of this program. Computer science, it means ये H1 वाला है. ठीक है, ये H2, ये H3, ये H4, ये H5 और सबसे छोटा किस में आ रहा है? H6 में. So this is all about your heading tag. अगर आप इसको क्रॉस चेक करना चाहो तो यहाँ पे आप लिख के दे सकते हो कुछ भी चेंज. So here I will write H1. Here I will write H2 and here I will write H6. तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन सा टैग क्या है. ठीक है, now we will run it again. See, H1 सबसे बड़ा, H2 उससे छोटा और H6 सबसे छोटा. Is it clear? So this is all about different kinds of heading tag and these tags are known as container tag. Next. So next we are having paragraph tag. This tag we have used in our last class. Tanuj, what happened? Behave yourself. You are not allowed to send anything in your chat box. If you have doubts, then only you are allowed to ask anything. Okay, accept that. No need to write anything, otherwise I will expel you and give call to your parents. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So next we are having paragraph tag. The HTML paragraph tag P is used to define paragraph in HTML. So right now we have practiced heading tag. Now next is your paragraph tag. So this is also an example of container tag because this is having opening bracket as well as closing bracket. Okay, for heading tag we were using H1 or H6. For paragraph we will use P और यहाँ पे अपना content and then close with P tag. Is it clear? So this is the basic syntax for paragraph tag. Now, so this is the program in HTML. In body we have write a paragraph. This is first paragraph, this is second paragraph, then we have closed this tag, then body tag close and then HTML tag close. So HTML is also an कंटेनर टैग, दिस बॉडी टैग ऑल्सो एक कंटेनर टैग, क्योंकि आपने इसमें क्या किया, नीचे क्लोज किया है। और अगर आप इसको क्लोज नहीं करोगे ना तो इसका इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा। जैसे कि अगर आप यहाँ पे HTML टैग क्लोज नहीं कर रहे, ठीक है, और आपने इस प्रोग्राम को बनाया और रन किया, सी देयर इज आउटपुट। Now, if we are not giving here anything and we will run, see, in this way we will get some error. Clear? This empty HTML is coming automatically. So we will rub this one. Why it's not taking these brackets? Okay. Okay, so in this way we can use paragraph tag, and P also is an, this one also is an container tag. If you want to write paragraphs in your document, then with the help of P tag you can write different kinds of paragraph. Now in this example we have taken only one line, but you can write how many lines you want to write. Okay, so you can write anything here. It's not mandatory that you have to write this is first paragraph. This is just in message. जैसे कि आप कोई वेबसाइट खोलते हो, उस वेबसाइट पे आपको different कंटेंट शो होता है ना, so that content we are writing with the help of P tag only. That is your paragraph tag. Is it clear to all of you?